We got big news coming out of the DeWALT camp, and this is a big one that so many of you have been asking for. For everyone that's been asking for cordless welding solution, maybe DeWALT has listened to your pleas. They just dropped a monster for the metal workers, and the best part is, although you can take full advantage of your FLEXVOLT batteries, you can run almost any 20-volt max battery with this tool because it's based on the 20-volt max FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE platform. But before I give you all the details, if you appreciate the content and like hearing about the newest tools and getting awesome tool deals, then I'm asking you, please smash the like button. It's a free way to help out the channel, and you'll get 7 years of good luck, because it ain't like smashing a mirror. DeWALT just announced the 20-volt max brushless cordless 2-inch magnetic drill press with FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE. DeWALT claimed using FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE technology will make the drill up to 32% more powerful when using a DeWALT FLEXVOLT DCB 609 battery. Built to help prevent tool failure due to lost power, it securely attaches to 1/4 inch and thicker metal by using a permanent magnet base that requires no electrical charge. So that means your battery goes dead and the tool don't fall off the metal, to the ground, to the floor, in the water, off a building. Pretty cool. This high-performance magnetic drill press packs the capacity to drill up to 40 holes per charge. The quick change chuck system allows for tool-free change between 3/4 inch welding shank and 1/2 inch key chuck, which is included. To keep the users in control, the E-clutch is designed to turn off when it detects rotation, and part of the Perform and Protect family. The drill has 5 variable speeds for each of the 2 mechanical gears for a total of 10 speed settings to allow for a wide RPM range for a variety of applications. They also claim a greater range of accessory compatibility with the motor height adjustment, forward and reverse control to allow for greater range of applications like tapping. The new DeWALT 20-volt max 2-inch magnetic drill press kit, which includes 2 9-amp-hour batteries and a rapid charger in a box, is on sale for pre-order right now and has an estimated ship date of October 31st. Happy Halloween, it's so spooky. It's got a retail price of $2,400. Links in the description to get you on the list. But if you don't need no stinking magnetic drill, maybe you'd like to find out about these other DeWALT tools.